Hey everyone, this is Joshua here with Talk Android, and today I'm going to be showing you the newly released messaging app from Google, Allo. This is Google Allo, and it is not that great. Here with Talk Android, let's get into it. So this is the screen that you see on Google Allo when you are first booted up and you get it all set up. You set it up with your phone number, they will text you a number, and you just plug the number in and you're good to go. You're in Google Allo. And there are a few gripes with this program, and the first gripe that many people are complaining about is that it only works on one phone. So it's not seamless at all, and it only works on one phone, so it's not an equivalent to iMessage, which is quite unfortunate. But there are a few plus features on Google Allo, other than that being that there is no use on one phone. Now, first of all, it's pretty much just a normal texting app. I really don't understand why they need to make this app, but there are a few unique little things here. So I have my friend Jake in here, and we were just talking and playing around, and LOL, this is fast. It's pretty quick. I like the way that it looks. In my personal opinion, I like the little graphics they have. Hello, what's up, ha ha ha, this is pretty cool. Hello. So yeah, it's really cool. And then on the bottom here, they do have little things that you can add, and I can just say have fun or whatever, but you do need cell service. And that, actually no, you don't need cell service actually. This does work over internet, and it works fairly well. One of my favorite things in this app actually is the Google Assistant. Now, Google Assistant is pretty unique. So what this is basically like Google Now, but it's in your messaging app. And what this does is I can type what's in the news, and I can just type that in here. What's in the news, and it'll answer me. Here's the latest in the news. So it'll show me the news, which is also pretty neat. I really like that. I can do, what else? I can ask questions. I'm bored. Recite a poem. I'm just going to say, I'm bored. How about a funny video? So it'll show me a funny video. Yeah, it's a gimmick, but hey, it's pretty cool. Let's do another one here. This is pretty much like Google Now. Sports, translation, travel, weather, games. You can do a bunch of things, and then even more. Games, fun, all that stuff. Same thing. So, pretty cool stuff on Google Assistant. You could do, obviously, attach pictures and things, attach your location. You can attach a photo. You can attach a photo here like this, or you can just start typing, which is nothing different at all. So there's the chat details. So I have the Google Assistant here, and settings, mute, notification sound, delete activity, stuff like that. I can go over here and I can just click on Jake, and I can click chat details. It'll say the same thing, has his profile photo and all that good stuff. So Jake and I, we just tested this out. Pretty cool stuff. And in my profile with my phone number, which will be blurred out, hopefully. And yeah, this is my profile, my phone number. It just have my name, and I can edit it if I like. I could just say Joshua Choppy, as I didn't think that this was a formal thing. So I'll change that right now. I think it would look better with Joshua Choppy. So I'll do that. I can update my profile picture and all that good stuff. Some settings here, message sounds, notification sounds, my account that it's connected to. I have to unregister my phone number if I want to switch phones, which is kind of frustrating because it's not very seamless if you can't switch phones automatically. Like, being a person who reviews technology, I go through a lot of phones, so having to go through all this stuff would be really chaotic. And this is pretty much your typical messaging app. I could start conversations with my friends and yada yada yada. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Not the greatest app. They could use a lot of improvements. They promised a lot of things that they really didn't bring to the table, and there's not a ton to really want out of this app, but you get what you get. And yeah, hopefully they update it soon. give us some more features and maybe make it so that you can have a seamless experience on other platforms, because I'd appreciate that very much. But that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Joshua Choppy with Talk Android, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below for this video if you enjoyed it. And drop us a comment down below what you think about Google Allo, as we think it's not great. So that's going to do it for us. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.